Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper diya. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need to cut out a paper circle. So I'm taking an orange. You guys can take any color you like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold this circle in half like this. So next step is that we're supposed to fold the circle in half one more time. So after we complete this, I'm taking a glue bottle and I'm applying some glue on the bottom part of the paper. So you should not apply glue on the top part because if you apply on the top part, then the diya won't be good. So I'm applying it on the bottom part and I'm sticking it together. So after we complete this, I'm taking one of my fingers and I'm keeping it on one hole and I'm keeping my thumb finger on the opposite hole. So now we'll have a structure like this. So next step is that we're supposed to make 5 more structures like this in the same way. So I made these, you guys can make this slowly. So now we'll have sticks structures. So the next step is that I'm taking one part of the paper and I'm applying some glue on the bottom part again like this, and I'm sticking the other part on top of it like this. So now I'm repeating the same step and I'm applying some glue on the bottom part of the paper and I'm sticking the other part on top of it. So we have to do the same steps again and again, and we have to repeat the steps until we stick all the 6 pieces. So I'm only going to make 6 pieces because that will be enough for the diya. So you guys can add more pieces if you like, and if you wanted to make it bigger, you can add more pieces. So after we complete sticking this, we're just supposed to open this parts and we're supposed to press on it at the bottom part so that they are done sticking well. So I'm just pressing on it again and I'm opening them slowly. So after we open them, I'm just applying some glue on one part of the paper at the bottom part. So now I'm spreading the glue at the bottom and I'm just sticking this paper to it. So now I'm just opening all the parts here so that it will be more beautiful and nice. So after you open it, I'm turning the diya to the opposite side. So we just have to press on the diya well so that the parts get stick together well. So now we'll have a half flower like structure. So I already cut out the top part for the diya. I cut this out from gold foam paper. So you guys can cut this out slowly. So I'm just going to stick this paper onto it. So there will be a small hole here if you can see. So I'm just going to be squeezing it onto here. So if your hole is too small, you can just apply some glue on the bottom part of the lantern and you can stick it into it. So I'm just going to be squeezing it in. So after we squeeze it, our paper diya will be ready. So this is a very easy way of making a paper diya and it is useful too. So you can use this to decorate your house for Navaratri and other festivals like Deepawali and more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. Bye!